everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking and amazing as always. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Welcome to my channel. So, today we are going to see how the coming week is going to be for you. So, these are your three options. Option number one is this black tourmaline crystal stone. Option number two is this amazing amethyst. Option number three is this clear quartz crystal. So you can select any one of the crystal that you're drawn to. You can also have this kind of three tiles by paper, or if you have this kind of tiles, just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how my coming week is going to be, and pick up any one tile, whatever number comes, that's your pile. You're also going to see your Wheel of Fortune today, so stay tuned and let's get started with your reading. Hello Group 1, how are you guys doing? I hope you're amazing, rocking as always. So today we are going to see how the coming week is going to be for you. You've chosen this lovely black tourmaline rock, which means that protection. You have been worried about protection, but do not worry, you are safe, you are protected. There is no need for you to worry. Everything is going to be in divine order. Now let's see what your cards are saying. So all these tools on the altar are available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. Let's see first how you should nurture yourself. I shuffled the cards already. Let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender pain is what I am hearing. Maybe there's some sort of emotional pain that you have been kind of holding on to. So speak to a trusted person that will help you to ease the pain out. If you feel like crying, cry. Let's see the changes coming your way. Love life. I'm seeing a pink heart, which means I feel that you're going to have a very some sort of good friendship with someone, or you may meet someone via a friend if you are single. Let's see your tarot cards. Beginning of the week, mid of the week, and end of the week. Alright, let me keep your cards over here. Eight of Cups. So you are going to move from something that is not serving you towards something that will fulfill you. All right, there is going to be a movement, may not be a very happy movement, but eventually it will lead to happiness. Some of you are going to visit a spiritual place in the beginning of the week, or maybe in the week itself. All right, you're going to spend time doing spiritual activities on Monday and Tuesday. The mid of the week, that is Wednesday and Thursday, there is going to be an opportunity coming your way. So don't write it off. Also, there you will receive some sort of financial support or gift on Wednesday and Thursday. Be open to receiving it. There is going to be some sort of paperwork regarding finances that you may do on Wednesday and Thursday. Wow, Group 1, your week is rocking. At during the weekend, that is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you are going to experience wish fulfillment. Even if it is a small wish, be grateful for it. All right, and count your blessings. That's going to really help you to move ahead. I feel, from Wednesday onwards, material aspects are going to give you joy, all right, especially your finances. Now, let's see what your other cards are telling us. We'll start with health. Diet is important over here, especially during the weekend. Ensure that you are not eating unhealthy. Love life, romantic feelings. So if you're single, you may meet someone interesting with whom you would want to explore things further. If you are married, you will have you and your partner will share a lot of romantic moments, whether you are married or in a relationship. You will find that there will be a lot of passion as well between you and your partner, all right, both married and committed. Adult children. So the changes coming your way is that if you are an adult child, then you will be focusing on your parents this week. If you have adult children, then they would be your focus in the coming week, and they may be a cause of some sort of happiness. All right. The blessing coming your way is mediumship. So you will receive some sort of message from someone who has passed over or who has moved on. Some of you will also have someone, a loved one, visiting your dream, or it could be so that you will get a message from a past over person for someone. All right, that particular person may not be directly related to you. It may so happen that your friend would have lost a loved one, and that loved one may visit your dream, and you will become like a medium. All right, and you'll give a message to the friend of yours. All right, so yes, you are, the blessing coming your way is being a medium. Some of you may actually do mediumship. Let's see. The With regards to your finances, you will be taking action, and you need to take action in order to see your movement, a positive moment in your money. So only praying and dreaming is not going to be enough. You have to take action. Let's see your life purpose. So, whether you're a homemaker or a business person or a corporate person, you really want to do something creative and remove some time out this week and do something creative, something that will make your soul feel fulfilled. All right, let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender to complete healing. So, this is time for overall healing, whether it is physical, emotional, or spiritual. So, ensure that you are taking time out and taking care of yourself. Ensure that you are, spending some time. Maybe you can get someone to heal you by doing some rituals for you, or maybe you yourself can do some rituals. There are so many rituals available on my YouTube channel. You can just pick up one that you resonate with and do it for yourself. All right, let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Connect with crystals. So some of you are going to spend some time, you're going to buy crystals for yourself. You may even work with crystals in some way or the other. You may just receive some crystal as a gift as well. So connect with crystals, because that's going to really help you to heal at different levels. All right. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to say. Group 1. So think about a question for the coming week and let me spin the wheel for you. You got wait. All right. So whatever you asked for, you need to wait, Group 1. So group 1, take care. Bye bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Welcome to my channel. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for you. So I've chosen this lovely amethyst crystal, which means intuition is going to be all-time high. You are going to receive lot of downloads, so pay attention to it. Also, there is going to be lot of prosperity. Now, prosperity does not only mean money. There is going to be abundance coming your way in the week ahead. So now let's see what your cards are going to tell us. We'll first start with your healing cards. We're also going to see your Wheel of Fortune today. Stomach seems to be an issue, so ensure that you are eating right. Change is coming your way. I see some sort of change happening in your appearance, like you may get a haircut or something like that. Blessing coming your way. Finances. You have been working on manifesting abundance. See how you need to nurture yourself. Now let's see your tarot card. We'll see the beginning of the week. The mid of the week. And the weekend. So let me keep your cards over here. Okay, so let's get started. The first card, Queen of Pentacles. So in the beginning of the week, you are going to receive finances. There will be money pouring in, opportunities pouring in as well. There will be a woman who is going to help you or give you an advice, or listen to her. Pay attention to your body. Some of you may also, the ones who are trying to conceive, there's a high possibility that you may visit a gynec, alright? The mid of the week, death, alright? Rebirth. Now this does not mean literal death, so don't worry. This means there is going to be some sort of transformation happening, and Wednesday, Thursday, this is going to happen, and this may not be an easy transformation. However, eventually you will be grateful for this transformation, but the week you may not really feel that way. Let's see the end of the week. 6 of Pentacles. Wow. So you are going to do charity work. You're going to help someone Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And even you are going to receive help, receive support. So be open to taking it. Do not be like, oh no, I don't want any sort of help. I can do it all alone. No, we cannot. None of us are an island. We need each other's support, help. So accept it. So what I see in the coming week, finances are going to be important. Finances are going to be good too, all right? Monday, Tuesday, and the weekend. Whatever decisions you take during the weekend, ensure that they are informed ones. Do proper research and then only take decisions. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Read. So it will be good for you if you spend some time reading something that uplifts you, motivates you, or just makes you feel good. All right, so do that. I think learning is going to be of importance. Surrender comparisons with other people. All right. You are enough. Nobody is a competition. There is no one who is better than you or less than you. Everyone has their own path, everyone has their own journey. The only one with whom you have a competition is you yourself. So understand that. The the main purpose that we all have over here is to be better than what we were yesterday. And that's it. So surrender comparisons with other people because that's not what you're here for. Let's see your life purpose. Cool. So, whether you are a homemaker, corporate person, or you are a business person, learning is going to be of importance. Some of you may visit your school, your friends, a school friend, you may meet a school friend, or your school contact may be of some importance for you with regards to your life purpose. If you are a homemaker, maybe you're going to spend time with your child, or maybe overall, no matter what profession you are in, whether a homemaker, yes, being a homemaker is a profession, all right? Just because you are not charging your family does not mean that it's not a profession. So, homemaker, businesswoman, businessman, corporate career person, learning and education are going to be important, all right, in the week ahead. Saving. So ensure that you are saving and you're saving for a brighter tomorrow and not because something bad may happen. All right. So ensure that you are whatever, because since this week it shows inflow of money. So ensure that you are saving a major part of it. Blessing coming your way is twin flame. All right. So now, if you are single, this is a good news. See, there may a lot of debate going on. Soulmate, twin flame, soulmate is this, twin flame is that. I feel at the end of the day, you want a happy relationship, right? A happy romantic relationship. So, the blessing coming your way is a happy romantic relationship. If you are committed or married, then with your partner. If you are single, then with somebody interesting. So manifest a happy, successful relationship than a soulmate or a twin flame is what I believe. All right. Let's say changes coming your way, changing your mind. So, in the beginning of the week, you may decide on path A and then you will change your mind and go to path B. So definitely there will be something happening in the middle of the week because of which you're going to change your mind. Let's see romantic message, finances and career. So singles, you're going to be more focused on your finances or career, or you may meet somebody via your career or your financial transaction. All right. The ones who are married, you and your partner are going to be focused on finances. When I say married, the ones who are in relationship also, you and your partner are going to sort your finances out. You're going to pay attention to career. So ensure that you take time for each other. That's your health. Change physicians. So, if you feel that, or your family feels that you need to change physician, then maybe you consult an expert and decide. All right. Okay, the week looks very interesting, the beginning and the end. All right, don't worry about the middle, it will be sorted out. Let's see. So ask a question and I'll spin the wheel for you. Wow, so the answer you got is yes. So whatever you asked for, the answer is yes, group 2. Lovely. I hope you enjoyed the reading. If you did, also do check the monthly reading that I did. So how your month of December is going to be for you. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello group 3. How are you guys doing? I hope you're wonderful and fine as always. So today we are going to see how the coming week is going to be for you. You've chosen this lovely clear quartz crystal, which means a lot of clarity coming your way. Also, you are going to focus on manifesting your desires. If you want to purchase this beautiful crystal or any of the divination tool that you see on this altar, contact my sales team. So let's see your cards, group 3. We'll also be doing seeing your wheel of fortune. So let's see the beginning of the week, the mid of the week, and the end of the week. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Take it slow, group 3. Take it slow is what I am hearing. Whether it is a friendship or a relationship, take it slow, or whether it is life in general. I'm hearing the line, you'll get what is lost. You'll get what is lost is what I'm hearing. I'm also hearing keep an open mind. Master Merlin is with you. Merlin the magician. Hell card. Let's see. Keep your cards over here. Let's see your cards one by one. The Star. Wow. So Monday, Tuesday, you are going to get a lot of recognition. You will spend your time doing spiritual activities. Some of you may also interact with a celebrity. Some of you, please note, this is a general reading, so take what resonates, leave what does not. You may interact with some celebrity as well, or you yourself will get a lot of recognition. Alright? Now let's see the mid of the week. Queen of Swords. So you will be quite clear in the mid of the week as to what you want and what you don't want. Some of you are going to be a little bit aggressive, so ensure that you are not hurting yourself or others with harsh words. There is going to be a woman who may be a little bit harsh or toxic. So ensure that you do not get into a verbatim with her in any manner. Yes, there will be also someone who will give you a good advice, so listen to them. Let's see the end of the week. 10 of Swords. So at the end of the week, you may feel that that I have reached a rock bottom. However, you will rise from there. It may so happen that you would have made some plans with someone and it may not work out. You may be too busy, or the other person may be too busy. Ensure that you are, this is what I'm hearing, just be careful of where you are going, alright? In the sense, walk properly. Walk, drive properly. But yeah, the week is starting pretty beautifully. Now let's see the other card. You may spend some time alone in the weekend. That's what I'm getting. And you will feel a little bit upset that, hey, come on, I was supposed to go out with so and so and it did not work out, so that may happen. Let's see. Wow, so you're going to recover. With regards to your health is going to improve, you're going to recover. So continue with your doctor's consultation and advice. In your love life, if you're single, you will spend some time doing prayers, affirmation to call in your soulmate. If you are married or in a relationship, you will spend some time having a conversation with your partner. All right, and you may also do some prayers for your relationship. Let's see the changes coming your way. Emotions. So, emotions are definitely going to be up and down. So, ensure that you are processing it wisely. Seek counsel. The blessing coming your way is vegetarian vegan. So, you are going to eat healthy. I can hear some of you who are non-vegetarians going, "Oh my God, I do not want to be a vegan or a vegetarian." Well, it's your choice. However, you're going to eat healthy food. That's what I'm getting from this card. Let's see. Finances, oh my God, vegetarian, vegan, and clean energy food. I feel that some of you will become vegan or vegetarian. Alright, not all of you, some of you. These are general readings, guys. But most of you are going to eat healthy. Alright, you're going to have a healthy diet, and that's going to raise your vibrations. And when your vibrations are raised, your finances flow in. The ones who are in food business, you may get some orders, alright, which would be either in terms of healthy food, or it could be in terms of vegetarian food. Let's see your life purpose. Counseling. So, whether you're a homemaker or you are a career person, you will spend time counseling someone, which will help them in return. Also, you yourself will require some sort of support. So ensure that you are taking that support by visiting a good counselor or someone whom you trust and you know will give you a good advice. Let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender to inner peace. So with the emotions card, there is going to be a little bit of chaos happening. So ensure that you spend some time in solitude if required, and do meditation and just understand that see, this is what I feel with this Ten of Swords energy. She's alone and it looks like she's in peace and the birds are flying. So just surrender to peace. All right, let's see how you nourish yourself. When we drink tea at times, we feel a lot of warmth. So that does not mean you drink a lot of tea. We need to have control on tea. But have your favorite tea that will make you feel better. Tea or coffee, whatever you love to have a beverage. Alright, so we have covered all the cards. I feel there is one card remaining. Let me check. Is there a card remaining? Have I missed something? Why do I feel I missed something? I've covered blessing. I have covered money, health, self-care, surrender. Okay, I have covered everything. There's nothing that I have missed out. Maybe I felt that way, but I will still pull a card for you just because I feel that I should. Let go. Alright, so whatever is bothering you this week, just let go of it. Alright, you don't need to spend too much time analyzing, dissecting it. Now think about a question, group 3, and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got better. So whatever you asked for, you're going to get it, but in a better version. Alright, so group 3, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. Take care. Bye bye.